So excited about Power BI? Before we delve into the specifics, let's answer a key question: what is Power BI? Power BI is a game changer for data visualization. So it is a data visualization tool. Imagine transforming complex data sets into stunning charts, graphs, and dashboards. Power BI makes it simple and intuitive, even for beginners. It's considered one of the industry's most common and effective tools for this purpose. But Power BI is more than just pretty graphs and reports. It's a comprehensive tool that empowers you to analyze your data, uncover hidden trends, identify patterns, and gain a deeper understanding of your information. Transform your data, clean up messy datasets, fix errors, and prepare your data for analysis and visualization. Build a data model. Connect multiple data sources into a cohesive whole, allowing for interactive exploration. Think of data transformation as cleaning and organizing your workspace before decorating. Power BI helps you fix inconsistencies, rename columns, and ensure your data is ready to shine. Similarly, the data model acts as the foundation for your analysis. Power BI lets you connect different tables and establish relationships, creating a unified picture of your data. Let's talk about how you can use Power BI. Power BI Desktop. This free application is your workhorse. Install it on your computer and start creating visualizations, transforming data, and building your data model. Cloud Publishing. Once your reports are ready, share the insights with your team or the world by publishing them to the Power BI Cloud service. Whether you're a data analyst, a business owner, or simply curious about your information, Power BI has something for you. Use it to visualize sales trends, track marketing campaigns, or gain customer insights. The possibilities are endless. This beginner-level Mastering Basics of Power BI course has provided a taste of what Power BI can do. The learning objectives of the course are to discover the 3 key components of Power BI, Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, and Power BI Mobile. Explore the world of data visualizations and how they bring your data to life in reports and dashboards. Understand and build semantic models. Are you ready to unlock the power of your data and take control of your information? Enroll in this beginner-level course and gain the foundational skills you need to use Power BI effectively.